Good morning, everyone. Back with your GK class. Now, as we have completed up to difficult places to live on the earth, now I will be starting with man made mud brick structures. So, going to page number 62. So, these are man made, following is the list of top mud brick structures which are magnificent and have stood the test of time. Read the clues and choose the correct option. First, fortified buildings made of Karshib, a local type of mud, make up this desert area. It was a vital to the trade route as the natural springs and shade giving palm trees gave travelers respite from the desert. So, name is Siva Oasis, Egypt. Second, being famous for its mud brick made high rise buildings, it is referred to as Chicago of the desert or Manhattan of the desert. The city has some of the tallest mud buildings in the world, with some of them over 30-meter height. Just being early high rise apartment building, so that is Shibam, Yemen. Third, it is considered as the largest mud brick structure in the world and one of the greatest achievement of Sudano Selin architecture style. It is one of the most famous landmarks in Africa. It is Great Mosque of Djinni. Then is fourth one, constructed entirely of mud bricks made up of clay soil and palm tree trunks. It had its beginning as prosperous trading center on the famous Silk Road. Thick walls with 38 watchtowers protected the citadel, which covered around 6 square kilometers. It is Argebam, Iran. Fifth, it is a fascinating complex of adobe mud buildings intended for the Chimu kings. 11 citadels and a pyramid are enclosed within 8-meter high wall. Many of the structures appear to be perfectly preserved. So it is Chan Chan, Peru. Then is sixth one, built more than 2500 years ago by Shem. It is a collection of madrasas and mosques. Some clay was used to build the structure, which was used to build Medina by Hazrat Muhammad. So it is Khiva Wall, Uzbekistan. Then comes page number 26, Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is a well balanced and collective three dimensional force capable of operating above, on, and under the surface of the areas, oceans, safeguarding the national interest. The Chief of the Naval Staff exercises operational and administrative control of the Indian Navy from the integrated headquarters of Ministry of Defense. The Navy has three commands, each of which control under the control of flag officer, commanding in chief. That is the Western Naval Command, headquarters at Mumbai, the Eastern Naval Command, the Southern West Naval Command. The Western and the Eastern Naval Commands are operational commands and exercise control over operation in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal respectively. The Southern Command is the training command. Why join Indian Navy? Indian Navy has variety of opportunities that make your career challenging. You face the challenges and develop methods to exploit your full potential. Work in the Indian Navy offers you a chance to grow as professional by learning new skills and acquire unreal experience in the process of applying those skills. Inside Navy, inside in is life at sea, a far cry from duty ashore. While at sea, you will be putting all your skills and determination to actual test. You will be given the responsibility and will be doing an important job for which you have been uniquely trained. Your ship will have its own home port. At sea, you will be exciting to visit far-flung places in India and abroad, which you may have only read or heard. Life in the squadron. So it begins with the volunteering of the aviation specialization either as a pilot, an observer, or a technical officer. Those who opt for training as pilot are screened through rigorous medical fitness over being sent for pre-flying training at the School for Naval, located in the Southern Naval Command and Kochi. Pilot trainees who make the grade are then sent for AB Inito flying training to Air Force Academy, Dundigal, or Indian or Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy. On successful completing this stage, tiny pilots are trafficked into the uh, fighter, fixed wing, and rotary wing steps. Then life at submarine. It is a life amidst high-tech war machines which have awesome firepower, state of art weapon control system, computer control machinery, and a high standard of ability. Personnel for this elite are taken from various branches subject to their volunteering and clearing the aptitude test and medical standard. The major responsibility in peacetime is to train for war as effectively as possible in the knowledge that will contribute to its prevention. On successful completion of rigorous training, one becomes proud of dolphin gauge and a member of every else arm of the very elite arm of the Navy. Life on ship. Modern ships, submarines, and aircrafts are highly sophisticated and technological advanced platforms. On-board ships, men are involved in operating the state-of-the-art weapons, navigational system, communication set, driving equipment, etc. It involves maintenance of equipment. Personnel go through training in the art of seamanship, operating weapons and sensor lookout duties, boat work, and man management. All are also trained in nuclear, biological, chemical warfare, and damage control, including firefighting. Training center, Training center is in Indian Naval Academy. Azimala Basic Training School is INS Chilka for sailors. Officers and sailors, along with their family, are entitled to free rail or air rail on the leave once a year. Travel concessions by rail and air are also provided on other occasions. Indian Navy provides world class medical care to each and every officer and welfare. The ships and submarines of the Indian Navy often visit a number of foreign ports. They have access to several recreational facilities. Indian Navy take pride in providing outstanding living areas and condition for its sailors. Officers are granting allowances periodically to stitch their own uniform. All officers and sailors are entitled to free ration. They can also seek money in the lieu of ration while staying with their families. They have special housing schemes almost in all major cities. They have an opportunity to acquire a modern, excellent apartment of their own in plant surrounding at a station of their choice for post retirement settlement. So, these are medals and honors related with Indian Navy, and the ranking of the Indian Navy is given below with the picture. Then comes page number 56, career avenues. One can opt career option according to his or her interest. So here some options are given: profession A and course B. This profession involves reporting, writing, editing, photography, and broadcasting news items for print media and electronic media. So इज जर्नलिस्ट. आप कोर्स क्या करेंगे? डिप्लोमा इन मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म. Second, this profession involves areas of work like advising clients about their legal rights, drawing up legal documents, and representing clients in courts and tribunals. So, profession it is lawyer, course it is Bachelor of Legislative Law. Third one, this profession involves areas of work like promoting goods and services in order to optimize sales or levels of awareness through a media. So, profession is advertising professional, course is diploma in advertising. Fourth one, this profession involves study of science and technology concerned with design, building, and use of engine and machine. So, is engineer, course is Bachelor of Engineering. Fifth, in this profession, a person entertains the audience by playing songs and conveying message related to music, traffic, or weather in a very effective way. Is radio jockey and course is diploma in mass communication. Sixth, this involves practicing medicine at School of Medicine, hospital, or medical training center. Is doctor and course is medical degree. So this completes our topic career and one of the topic of man-made of world around, that is man-made structure. So see you again.